wabarakatuh and salam sejahtera. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Putri Imali binti Abdul Malik, and how are you today? Is it good? Alhamdulillah, I'm fine too, and I hope you guys in a good health. So today is the week 6 where I'm gonna teach you how to make a stuffed grilled chicken roulade served with sauteed potatoes and mushroom sauce. So what is the chicken roulade? Chicken roulade is essentially rolled and stuffed chicken breast. The meat is pounded and flattened to create a large surface area, and then topped with cheese and the filling such as a creamy spinach. Then what is the ingredient to make a stuffed grilled chicken roulade? Let's get to know it. So the next thing is the list of the ingredient. To make a grilled chicken, you have to prepare 300 grams of chicken breast, 1 tablespoon of barbecue, and a pinch of salt. Next, for the filling, you have to prepare the shallot, button mushroom, Brazil spinach, cooking cream, chicken stock, a pinch of salt, and black pepper. For sauteed potato, you need to prepare garlic, potato, a pinch of salt and black pepper, chili flakes, and herbs. And the last one is for mushroom sauce. You need to prepare garlic, button mushroom, meat stock, cooking cream, and a pinch of salt and black pepper. Without wasting the time, let's start cooking right now. The equipment that you need to prepare is spatula, ladle, knife, and chopping board. To make a stuffed grilled chicken roulade, you need to prepare 300 gram chicken breast, 1 TBSP BBQ, a pinch of black pepper, and 1 TBSP of corn oil. So first, you have to split the chicken breast like a butterfly. Split, but do not let it split into parts. Now, if you can see, my chicken breast look like butterfly. And then, after that, you need to clean it and wipe with the kitchen towel to make a little bit dry, so that the chicken can absorb all the marinade. And then, put a little bit of oil, it's about 1 tablespoon of corn oil. And then 1 tablespoon of BBQ sauce. And then add a little bit of black pepper. I use Ajisho flavor black pepper so that no need to add the salt. Then you have to mix well. So now you have to wrap it and let it rest for 1 hour in the chiller. Next, for the filling, 150 gram Brazil spinach, 4 nose button mushroom slice, 1 TBSP butter, 1 nose shallot dice, 25 gram cooking cream, and black pepper. First, you have to heat the butter. Then put a shallot and stir well until it's turning to golden brown. Right after that, put a button mushroom and stir well. And then you can put the Brazil spinach in it and cook until the Brazil spinach a bit wilted. Alright, when the Brazil spinach is already wilted, you can put 25 gram of cooking cream and then put a little bit of black pepper and 1 tablespoon of chicken stock powder. Stir well. So the filling is done. Alright, after the chicken breast is already rest for 1 hour, now it's turn to put the filling in the chicken. First, you have to line the plastic wrap on the chopping board. And then put the chicken on it and wrap it again. is to bake the chicken so that it's become a little bit thinner and easy to roll it later. Right, after you beat the chicken, you have to open the wrapper and then you can start to fill the filling. You have to fill the filling at the center of chicken. Then put a little bit of chili flakes and herbs. Then put 2 pieces of cheese slice. Now you can start to roll it. And then you have to wrap it and let it rest for a night in the freezer. Alright, after one night, so now you can bake the chicken in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, look at that, so delicious. Alright, after bake the chicken, now you can turn to pan fry the chicken. First, you have to heat the butter. Then put the chicken breast in it. You have to always flip it so that it will not getting burned. And after that, you can lift up. Next, we are gonna making a mushroom sauce, and you need 3 tablespoons cooking cream, 1 cube mixed stock, 8 nose button mushroom, 1 TBSP butter, 1 nose garlic, and black pepper. First, you have to slice 8 nose of button mushroom. My mushroom is a small size, so I need more than that. Next, you have to fine dice the garlic. After all the ingredients already cutting, now you can turn to heat the butter. Put the garlic in and let it cook until it's turning to golden brown. And then put the mushroom and stir well. Right after that, put a little bit of black pepper. And put a mixed stock. I'm at 100 ml of cold water with 1 cube of mixed stock. And then mix well. After that, put 3 tablespoons of cooking cream and mix well again. If you notice that my sauce is not thickened, so I have to do a roux. So to make a roux, you have to use the formula roux 1:1, which means 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 tablespoon of flour. You have to always mix, and you have to turn off the heat before it's burned, and always mix. And the roux is done. So now you have to put the pot back on the fire and put a little by little of roux. If you notice the mushroom sauce is already thickened, and do not add it again. And this is the texture of mushroom sauce. For the last one is saute potato. You need to prepare 2 nose potatoes, 1 nose garlic, herbs, white pepper and black pepper. First you have to cutting dice the potato. And fine chop the garlic. And after that you have to boil the potato for 15 minutes. And put a little bit of salt. Or after 15 minutes, heat the pan with a little bit of corn oil. Put the garlic and let it cook until it's turning to golden brown. And then put all the potatoes and put white pepper, black pepper and herbs. And the last one is chili flakes. Mix well. And the potato is done. That is the way how to cook a stuffed grey chicken roulade served with sauteed potatoes and mushroom sauce. Also, there are so many things need to be prepared, but it's worth to cook. And I really hope that you guys understand what I'm trying to convey, and I hope you guys can cook well and deliciously. So before I left you with the plating session, I would like to thanks to all of you that watched my video from the start until my last cooking video today. So the last word for me is please stay at home, stay safe, hashtag we take care of ourselves. So see you when I see you. Bye. Assalamualaikum.